Hello, friends. This is SourcinBox, your top dropshipping agent. We've got 5 items that could boost your margins in 2025. The first recommendation is the cup lid dab cleaner. Through Google search, we know that it has always had a stable market sales. Many TikTok videos got tens of thousands of likes, showing they fit the target audience and have great market potential. This item meets cup cleaning needs and has broad market appeal. Also, it's compact and portable, cutting storage and shipping costs. The profit margin is large and it has few competitors, making it worthy of promotion. The next one is the corn peeler. As seen from the figure, the market share demand for this product is considerable and is on a growing trend. Thousands on TikTok were drawn by its practicality, attracting customers with strong buying intent. This product solves corn peeling well, suits kitchen daily use and has broad appeal. In addition, it is small and portable, easy to transport and store and can reduce logistics costs. You should source from SourcinBox for highly cost-effective products and fast delivery to obtain more profitable results. Seize the chance to grab market share. Okay, look at the third one, automatic bookmark. This product has stable demand and is an all-season bestseller. On TikTok, numerous topic videos are shared and used by users, attracting more viewers and unlocking huge potential. Firstly, its innovation in auto-page marking appeals to book lovers, securing existing customers and attracting new ones. Secondly, it's durable, compact and easy to ship, cutting logistics costs for better profits. Thirdly, with SourcinBox's stable supply, inventory is always sufficient. Contact us now. The fourth one is the Diaper Bag with changing station. It has high search popularity, indicating stable market demand and being an evergreen product. 100,000 TikTok viewers were drawn by its practicality, revealing the product's huge market potential. It eases baby travel, winning parents over. Moreover, it's lightweight and durable, cutting after-sales issues for solid profits. Plus, its social media buzz means easy promotion and quick sales growth. The last one is the kids' neck pillow for travel. As can be seen from the figure, the demand for children's travel products has been rising. The user's TikTok video got 55,000 likes, indicating high product recognition. Many commented that they were eager to buy the same, showing appealing market prospects. As family travel becomes more frequent, the demand for children's travel products is rising. This neck pillow can effectively protect children's necks and increase travel comfort,